In the semiconductor realm, Coopetition captures the essence of companies working together on shared goals while fiercely battling in the marketplace. This strategy, blending cooperation with competition, has become a vital approach in an industry characterized by sky-high research costs and the relentless pursuit of innovation. Consider the monumental costs and risks tied to semiconductor development. Here, Coopetition is more than just strategic. It is essential. Competitors can share burdens, mitigate risks, and speed up technological breakthroughs by joining forces in research and development or setting industry standards. Take, for example, the alliance between tech giants in research consortia like SEMATECH or Samsung Electronics and GlobalFoundries standardizing their process technology. These collaborations underline the power of shared expertise in advancing the industry, even as companies remain rivals in the consumer arena. Coopetition's benefits are clear: reduced research and development costs, faster innovation, and shared risks. Yet, it is challenging. Intellectual property concerns, ensuring a strategic fit, and managing complex relationships add complexity to this cooperative competition. As we look to the future, emerging technologies like AI increasingly influence the semiconductor industry's trajectory. Coopetition will be pivotal in setting standards and ensuring these technologies integrate seamlessly, driving us toward a more connected world. In a world where technological advancements define our path forward, the semiconductor industry's embrace of Coopetition is a testament to its adaptability and foresight. By balancing the delicate interplay between collaboration and competition by utilizing Coopetition, these companies are navigating the present and shaping the future.